everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to purchase the ElonGate token using Pancakeswap. So let's jump right into it. So right now we are on my home screen, and in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase the ElonGate coin, the ElonGate token. So you need to go to your Trust wallet and you need to have the smart chain ready. If you don't know how to purchase smart chain from Binance, I'll link the video down below. I explained it in depth how you can, with normal currencies like euros or dollars or pounds or honestly anything, even if you're from Australia, you can use Australian dollars, how you can purchase smart chain using Binance. So you need to have your smart chain ready and you need to have the browser field activated. If you're an Android user, it will already be there, I'm pretty sure. But as you can see, I'm using an iPhone, so we need to activate it. And how do we do this? We're gonna go out of Trust Wallet and we're gonna go to Safari, or honestly whatever browser you're using. It also works with Chrome. And you're gonna type in this link, Trust Browser Enable, with exactly the same signs. I'll put it into the description so you can just copy and paste it. And you're gonna go. Just click there and it will say open this page in Trust. Open, and now you will find your browser icon down there. This is how you activate it. And now what we need to do is we're gonna go to browser and we will look for Pancakeswap. This is the service that we're gonna use. Obviously for me it's here in the history because I've used it before. If it's not there, just search in Pancakeswap or go to like Popular, it should also be there. But you need Pancakeswap, yeah, this is what you want to look for. So we'll click on Pancakeswap and we will see this landing page here. This is what we will use, and it will say in the beginning, if you use it for the first time, it will say connect here. This here is basically my Trust Wallet address, and you need to click connect and then it will automatically connect. You'll never have to do this again. You really just have to click once there, I'm pretty sure, and then it works. So here you can see the coins. You can we have our BNB coin, which is the smart chain that we're gonna swap, and now we want to get to ElonGate. But if you search it here, you will not find ElonGate. Why is this? Because it's a very new token and it's not on there yet, it's not on the system. So we have to manually pass it in. And what you want to do is you will go to BSC Scan, this website BSC Scan, you'll search in ElonGate, the token ElonGate, and you'll need this address here. This is the contract number for this cryptocurrency. You're going to copy it and paste it in. For you, if you're using just your phone, I just put it in the description. You can just trust me and copy it in. And so I have it here in my notes. This is the ElonGate address. So I'm going to just copy this one and I'm going to paste it in. As I said, it's in the description, so you can just copy it there. Search for a token, and then you'll just paste the address there, and you'll see it's ElonGate. And actually I haven't added it yet. You should do so too. Just click add and then you'll always have it in your list here, so then it's saved basically. So you have selected ElonGate now, and now you can choose how much of the BNB you want to put into ElonGate. I already have quite a bit of ElonGate, so I am not gonna buy a lot now. Just for demo purposes, I'm just gonna put in 0.05, something like this, and you see we're getting lots of ElonGates for this. Here on settings you can say, okay, what is the slippage tolerance? Doesn't really matter for you, honestly, just ignore it. The default is set to 11. Try it with 11. If it doesn't work, you need to go back, set it to 12, and then it should always work. So we are going to swap 0.05 BNB to many ElonGate. So we're just going to swap it right now. I'm going to swap it and I'm going to click accept. Okay, the price updated, whatever. Doesn't really matter. It's just for demo purposes right now anyway. See, so I'm getting a maximum of 17 euros 15, which is like $20, pretty much exactly, I guess. And yeah, you can just click send. And it will be in your wallet very soon. It's just going to take some seconds, sometimes some minutes. See, I already got the notification. It's outgoing. It's not yet confirmed. It needs to be confirmed. Now you see 0.05 went out the smart chain went down, what you will also realize is this value here decreased. And this is not because you lost money right now. This is simply because ElonGate, just like Gold Standard Token and so many other young coins, they don't have this Trust Wallet integration yet. So you don't have these charts here. If I go to smart chain, for example, or let's say Bitcoin, let's take a classic. If you go to the charts here, you can see the development, and this is how Trust Wallet determines how much your portfolio is worth. But ElonGate doesn't have this integration yet. If you click here on the chart, it will say not available. This doesn't mean it's worth nothing. This only means that they don't have this integration yet. So you will have to manually check how much this is worth. But this is very easy. There are numerous resources. The easiest one, I think, is to go to back to PancakeSwap. And remember, we saved our token now. So ElonGate, you see it was saved now. So you can just click it. You can click max. That's a lot of ElonGate. And you can select the currency. Just select BNB. And you can see, okay, our total value of ElonGate is 0.727 blah 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 BNB. So what we want to do now is we're gonna go to coinmarketcap.com and we're just gonna search up Binance Coin Price. So it says $384. So what we just need to calculate is 0.727 times 384, and there you have your total value of ElonGate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you, and this is how you purchase ElonGate.